How's it going? Welcome back to Chivo Garage. In this one we're going to be having a little look again at the P38 because I noticed that the condenser fans on the front of the radiator condenser-y stuff, well, one of them had seized solid, so let's have a look at it, eh? So first off, I think access might be a bit easier for me because I've got this winch bumper on. But we do have to remove the grill, and the grill already off on this one, but I've just rested it back in for the sake of it. A few cross-headed screws there, 4 on the top, and then we have one there and one there. Pop those out, and the grill lifts out as if by magic. Next thing we're going to do, just for a bit of nice access, I think I could probably just get to this. We have, oh, this is really difficult with the winch bit. One bolt there, one bolt there, one on the bottom there, and one over there. And there's 2 connectors. One I've already popped off because this fan is seized solid, and then another one there. So I'll start off by popping that connector off, if I can, with one hand. Always a pain when you're holding the camera. Oh, it doesn't want to come off. Oh. And these are just the, press the back there, and it lifts that up like that, just to get over the tab on there. So now that's the wiring disconnected. Let's pop the fans off. Right, so that's the fan undone, just those 4 bolts out. It's dropped down a bit, but we've realised it's a pain to get out, so we're going to take off this cross member, which looks like 2, 3, 4 13mm bolts. So I'll try that, get back to you in a sec. So there we go, that's the cross member out. We've just lifted those fans out through there. Ideal opportunity to have a quick inspect of these to see if they're blown or, you know, falling apart or anything. Then moving over to the old and new fan comparison. So the new to me, yes, the second hand, but the new to me fans, there we go. The old ones, yeah, that was seized solid. So pop these on, get back to you. As so often happens, we're starting to lose the light, but there we go. That's the fans on. Just plug it in while a train goes by. Done. Electrical connectors on. Just drop the grill on. And there we go. All back together. Quick little job. Done. Cheers. Catch you next one.